Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, but super tasty treat. We're going to be making some surf and turf skewers. Alright, so to get started, we'll get some firelighters going. And then we'll get about half a chimney worth of lump charcoal or briquettes on. Alright, so we've got about 10 minutes before those briquettes will be ready. We've got a few things ready here. We've got some prawns and steak we picked up from our butcher at Austral Meat. I've got a sharp knife, some skewers, our steak shooter rub, and our garlic goals rub. So while those briquettes are catching light, we'll put these skewers together. Alright, so we've got a beautiful Scotch fillet steak. We just want to dice that up into pieces. We want to get these cubes about the same thickness as our prawns. So I'm just going to separate it into the 3 muscles we've got here in this one. The beautiful rib cup on top here. And then I know our prawns are about half the thickness of our steak, so we will halve the thickness of our steak to match them. Alright, so we've got a dozen beautiful little steak cubes here. We're just going to go ahead and season them up in our steak shooter. And then our beautiful prawns, we'll give them a coating in our garlic goals. And now what we want to do is we'll get our skewer. We'll get our prawn, and we'll put a bit of steak in between our prawn, just like so, and then we'll start feeding that onto our skewers. And essentially, that's what you want to be left with. Alright, and there you have it. These are ready to go. Alright, our briquettes are almost ready. I just want to do one last thing, which is to prepare a little garlic butter baste, which is super simple. I've just got a tablespoon of butter in this little foil pan here, and we're going to add about a teaspoon of our garlic goals. So now we'll wait for these briquettes to be ready, then we'll come back to set the rest of this barbecue up and get these skewers on. Alright, so those briquettes are ready. They're nice and red hot, so let's get them in. We'll just spread them out a little bit so they're nice and even. If you're using your Rambler as well, I've just got this set to the highest position for the charcoal basket. And then we'll get our hot plate on. I've got our Qtensils hot plate ready to go. We'll give that a few minutes to heat up. While that's happening, we're just going to get our foil tray on with our little garlic goals butter base, just so that butter can melt. So we'll come back in a few minutes once this is ready to go. Alright, it's been a few minutes. These skewers are ready to go on. And if you're looking for a surface temperature for your hot plate, I like to grill at around the 500 Fahrenheit or 260 Celsius mark. Judging by the thickness of those prawns and that steak, this cook usually takes around 90 seconds per side. That should give us some nice medium rare steak, and you want to make sure those prawns are cooked through. You want to see them go from that translucent sort of look to a nice opaque white sort of color. So that butter's melted down nicely. Our hot plate's ready. Let's get these on. Alright, so I'll just move our little garlic butter bath out the way for a moment, and now we can get our skewers on. Alright, so it's been about 90 seconds. Got a beautiful sear on that steak. Prawns are starting to get a really nice colour. And now we've flipped them, we'll give them a nice baste in this garlic goals butter. Alright, and these are done. Just have a look at that. They look awesome. Alright, so these have been resting for a few minutes. I gave our bench a wipe down while they were cooking. Make sure you're practicing good hygiene. You don't want to make yourself sick, especially when you're handling seafood and chicken. But for now, let's have a closer look at these and then we'll have a taste. I mean, look at that. That is just beautiful. Let's have a taste. Yeah, that is amazing. That might be one of the quickest, easiest, and tastiest things you can do. Literally, we've put them together and cooked them within 10 minutes, and I seriously cannot get enough of that. Quick and easy surf and turf skewers, they are amazing. That's the end of the video. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.